Yeah. So, for us, I mean, as I mentioned earlier, I mean, PEM are kind of, they need the most, let's say highest purity, water levels, and then we have AEMs, and then we have alkalines. So there is, I mean, again, I'm not sure if there's a, typical standard because, it's very hard to right now. I mean, there are kind of, more and more discussions happening worldwide to decide what is the standard or what should be a standard for water qualities and stuff. But ASTM1 is kind of the typical type of water that we recommend in terms of water quality. Let's say if you want to use in the different terms, it's around 18 megohms centimeter. So that's a typical water quality we prefer. It could be a little bit on the lower side too for AEMs. Because as I mentioned earlier, AEMs are can handle a little bit more poorer quality as compared to PEM systems. But when we design the whole electrolyzer system, we provide our own purifier inside, so that does make sure that the water quality is always that what we chose in the beginning or what we designed the AEM electrolyzer system for. So I hope that answers the question. We hardly work. I mean, I'm pretty sure there must be some companies who let the end user or the customer purify the water. But in our system, the system that we provide to our end users, we make sure we talk to the customer in advance. We check the water quality at site, and then based on that, we design the purifier. That that can work or that works with the system. But yes, if the water is not pure, there is of course scale up formulation on the membrane on the GDL. Again, which increases the resistance in the electrolytic cell, and then that again comes back to the degradation point, because then there's more degradation, then we need more voltage per cell to produce same amps. So it's all interconnected, and water quality is definitely one of the key aspects when it comes to the life of the electrolyzer.